Hey, what's up everyone on 11-Day Super Shred page. All right, so now we're starting another round of the shred. I'm gonna be sharing some exercises through the shred, maybe once a day, maybe other day, I don't know, but I'm gonna be working out pretty intense because I notice that I get the best results when we do these shreds, when I follow the system and I work out. You don't have to work out, but highly recommend it if you really want to maximize your results. So today is a chest day for me. So I do a simple chest exercise from home. A lot of these exercises I'll show will be, you can do them right at home. Body weight, it's just a matter of getting the reps and doing them. So to make traditional push-ups more interesting and challenging, I'll do 3 variations. So I will do your normal push-ups, shoulder width apart, knock out some reps there, and then I go to wide, more of a wider stance, same thing, and then I go close grip, a little harder, close grip, knock them out. So I'll do 1 round of those, and whether I do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tenths reps or whatever, but the point is you want to do 1 round of those and then take 60 seconds to 90 seconds rest. Just listen to your body. If you can't do the traditional, that's okay. Just do them from your knees. Same thing. Shoulder width, wide, and then close grip. So that's what we want you to do today. So you got 3 to 4 rounds. Remember, 1 round is doing the 3 different exercises. Takes 60 to 90 seconds rest. And just push yourself when you do them. I'm not going to give you specific numbers on it. Everybody's different. Just do your best and get them in.